Good morning. So, I know that a lot of you guys are struggling with where to turn in your work. And so I made this so you can get an idea of where it should be. Let's go ahead and start. Go to your Google Drive, and in your Drive, in the Shared with Me folder, you're going to find a folder that I have shared with you. A faster way to do that is to just type my name at the top, Cat Mince. And when you do that, it'll show up. There'll be a little folder. Now, depending on your class, is depending on what shoulder um, that or folder that it shows up in. If you're in my, let's say you're in my Modern World class, and you are in period 3, well, this folder will show up, Modern World period 3. Inside that, currently there are 4 things. The first one is the Rise of Hitler assignment. There's the West Between Wars assignment, the Welcome Letter, and the What's Due Modern World. If you need to turn in your Hitler assignment, you turn it into this folder. So how do you go about doing that? Well, let's say you're going to do the Hitler assignment. When you got the Hitler assignment, it told you to make a copy. When you made a copy, at the top of that paper, sorry about that. All right. When you made a copy, this is a different assignment, but just bear with me because the process is the same. When you made the copy, the new thing showed up. The first thing you needed to do was put your name at the top into the title. The next thing was there would be, if you clicked over here, there's going to be a folder. In that folder, it'll say Move, and you want to find your class period, Modern World 2, Modern World 3, and you want to find the assignment folder. This one says the Rise of Hitler assignment. If this was the Rise of Hitler, then I would just move it right there. Easy peasy. Now, if you go ahead and this one, for example, if it's something that you need to make in that assignment, for example, the interwar concept map, because most of you took a picture of that, anything that you're taking a picture of, you'll go into your folder, into that folder, that's the turn-in folder, you click on New, and you want to file upload, and then you just upload that picture. Because it'll say file upload, and then it'll show you, you can navigate through your files. If you're using this on your phone, it's the same thing. It'll say upload, and then you just go into your photo library and upload it that way. So for example, if you are in my Modern World Period 3 class, you can see I have a lot of people who did their Rise of Hitler, and those of you who put your name in the title, you did it exactly perfect. Some of you just kept the copy of Rise of Hitler. There's a lot of copies going on there. A copy of Rise of Hitler, copy of Rise of Hitler. So if you would just click on these, Kaylin, I'm going to use Kaylin's really quick. If I just wanted to change the title of that, all Kaylin has to do is just click on the title, and then she just has to put her name. And then that's done. That's a perfect assignment. Remember, the last few assignments we've been doing will be turned in on Google. The folders for this, we are now moving over to Google Classroom, and I will show you how to do that shortly. Thank you for your time.